Glories to Srila Prabhupada ji. We will start the session now with the auspicious prayers. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Mudirayet Tato Akshara Samamnayam Asrajat Bhagwanajah Antasthushma Swarasparsha Rishvadirghadilakshanam कृष्णवर्णं त्रिशाकृष्णं साङ्गोपाङ्गास्त्रपार्षदं यज्ञैः सङ्कीर्तनप्रायैर्यजन्तीः सुमेधसः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद जी की जय। Okay, so we have completed the basic formation of the letters, like basic letters, then formation of the words, then some basic sentences like saha balakah, sa balika, tat phalam, and eshah esha etat, then ayam iyam idam, those small sentences. Now we will move for the next step for understanding little bit grammatical terms, and we will move for learning the nouns, pronouns, and the verbs, those kind of words from tomorrow. So before starting, we will go through from some grammatical terms. Right. So we have covered vowels, swaraha, then consonants, vyanjanani, then anuswaraha and visargaha. Anuswaraha means the at the end, ending with ma, like ramam, krishnam, or phalam, m at the end. That then visargaha, like ramah, phalah, uh, phalah will not be ramah, krishnah, ashwah, lalit. In visarga comes in ending of the consonant or ending of the vowel. This anuswara and visarga will not come independently. So we have learned this all. We have learned the words also, few words, and sanyukta aksharam, like combining two vyanjana, two consonants, some new vyanjana combination sanyukta aksharam are formed, and then by using them we have learned some words like ganga, or panch, or vidya, or jnana, kshatriya. In all those, two consonants are used. Now we will move for noun. So some of the noun words we have learned, and pronouns also we have learned little bit, like sorry, saha, sa, tat. Those all are pronoun words. Then verbs, that means kriya padam. So verbs are called kriya padam. Prepositions are called upsargah. Conjunctions are called avyayah. Conjunctions and interjections, both are called avyayah. Bhavartak avyayah and avyayah. Vibhakti. So vibhakti, there are 7 vibhakti. Case, we will go through from different words which is showing the vibhakti in detail, not in detail, but in very much brief, and for learning the pronunciation purpose. Then numbers, vachanam, singular, dual and plural number, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam, like we have seen in previous sessions, those all. Then person, Purushah. So there are 3 persons are there, like Prathama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, and Madhyama Purusha. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. So that we will learn later on. Visheshanam, adjective. Kriya Visheshanam, adverb. So, okay. So, could you please recite these names one time, Mataji? Dorothea Mataji, could you please recite these all?
Swaraha. Jana. Padana. Anuswaraha. Visargaha. Samyukta.
Sharam. Okay.
Sharam.
Here the will.
Nama.
Okay.
Sarvasama.
Sarvanama. It's no.
Oh, sorry. Sarvanama. Kriya. Apasargaha.
That is U. Upasarga.
Thank you. Upasargaha. Avyayaha. Avyayaha.
Yes. Okay. Ishopnishad Mataji, could you please recite these all after me?
Hare Krishna. Sure.
Vibhaktihi.
Vibhaktahi.
Tihi. It's tihi.
Tahi.
Vachanam.
Vajanam.
Hare Krishna Mataji, your voice is not coming.
Vajanam.
Yes. Ekavachanam.
Say that again. One more time.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavajanam.
This is Dvivachanam.
Dvivajanam.
This is Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvajanam.
Then Purushaha.
Purushaha.
Then Visheshanam.
Visheshanam.
Then Kriya Visheshanam.
Kriya Visheshanam.
Means adverb. Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Bhagmalini Mataji, could you please recite these all vibhaktis and their this thing, nominative or accusative, these all 8 cases?
Prayatnam karomi.
Samyak.
Prathama vibhaktihi. Nominative. Dvitiya vibhaktihi. Accusative. Tritiya vibhaktihi. Instrumental. Chaturthi Mataji is correct?
Right.
Chaturthi vibhaktihi, dative. Panchami vibhaktihi, ablative. Shashti vibhaktihi, genitive.
Hmm.
Saptami vibhaktihi, locative. And Sambodhana prathama vibhaktihi, vocative.
Uttamam. The eighth case is treated as a branch of the first case. So this is not eighth. This is Sambodhana Prathama. It's a branch of Prathama only. So there are total 7 vibhaktis for these all cases. So we will just to go to the words for pronunciation, not in the detail, but for pronunciation purpose only. So, okay. Sanskrit has a special feature of the dual number intended to be used when referring to the pairs that are encountered so often, like eyes, ears, hand, legs. So dvivachanam is one term is there, like singular, plural, ekvachanam, bahuvachan. Apart from that, there is dvivachanam also there in the Sanskritam. So for duels, for the pairs, there is dvivachanam is used. Horns, a married couple, like that. Hence, a noun with 8 cases and 3 numbers will appear 8 cross 3, 24 forms. So that we'll see later on. The new feature of Sanskrit, namely the dual number means dvivachanam, is easy to learn. Verbs, so these are about the nouns. Then about the verbs, when used with I, you, and he, she, it, also reflect 3 forms of person. If it is used with he, she, it, that is third person. So it is called Prathama Purusha. If it is used for you, that means Madhyama Purusha, second person. If it is used for I, that means first person, Uttama Purusha. So those 3 are used, like these 3 Purushas. Dorothea Mataji, could you please read this all and this also?
Yes. A atrama
This is U.
pu. Oh, again, my mistake. Okay. Utrama purushaha. First person.
Hmm.
Madhyama purushaha. Second person. And prayama purushaha. Third person.
It's tha Mataji. There is one dot is there
Oh.
in tha it is.
Oh yeah. Thank you. So it's Pratama Purushaha, third person.
Right.
So the English also,
Yes, yes.
while the noun takes 3 forms of number, the verb takes 3 forms reflecting the persons. The verb finally reflects 3 by 3, for example, 9 forms. These will be studied in the next lesson.
Okay, so this was a little introduction about the grammatical terms used in the Sanskritam. Okay. Now we will move for the sloka recitation. So, okay, Shri Ishopnishad Mataji, could you please recite after me? Hare Krishna Mataji, your voice is not coming.
Can you hear me? Haribol?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
now. So, Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.11. Bhurini
Bhurini,
Bhuri Karmani
Bhuri Karmani,
Srotavyani
Shrotavyani,
Vibhagashah
Vibhagasaha,
Atah Sadhotra
Ataha sadotra
यत्सारं
yatsaram
समुद्धृत्य
samudritya
मनीषया
manisaya
ब्रूहि
bruhi
भद्राय भूतानां
Bhadraya Bhutanam
भद्राय भूतानां
Bhadraya Bhutanam
नाम नाम
Nam
येनात्मा
Yenatma
सुप्रसीदति.
Suprasidati.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, Dorothea Mataji, could you please recite after me? Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.11. Bhurini
Purini
Bhuri Karmani
Puri Karmani
Srotavyani
Shrotavyani
Vibhagashah
Vibhagashaha
Atah Sadhotra
Adah Sadhotra
Yatsaram
Yatsaram
Samudhritya
Samudratya
Manishaya
Manishaya
Bruhi
Bruhi
Bhadraya Bhutanam
Patraya Bhutanam
Yenatma
Yenatma
Suprasidati.
Suprasidati.
Okay. Bhagmalini Mataji, could you please recite?
Bhurini Bhuri Karmani Shrotavyani Vibhagashaha Sadyotra Yatmaram Samudhritya Manishaya
Atah Sadhotra Yatsaram
Atasadhotra Yatsaram
Samudhritya Manishaya
Samudhritya Manishaya
Yes. Bruhi Bhadraya Bhutanam
Bhuri Bhadraya Bhutanam
Bruhi Bhadraya Bhutanam
Bruhi Bhadraya Bhutanam
Yenatma
Yenatma
Suprasidati.
Suprasidati.
Hare Krishna.
Dhanavadaha Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Bhurini, multifarious. Bhuri Karmani, many duties. Srotavyani, to be learned. Vibhagashah, by division of the subject matter. Atah, therefore. Sadhotra, O sages, herein. Yat saram, whatever essence. Samudhratya, by selection. Manishaya, to the best of your knowledge. Bruhi, please tell us. Bhadraya Bhutanam, for the good of the living being. Yenatma, by which the self suprasidati, become fully satisfied. Translation: there are many varieties of scriptures, and in all of them there are many prescribed duties which can be learned only after many years of study in various divisions. Therefore, O sage, please select the essence of all these scriptures and explain it for the good of all living beings, that by such instruction their heart may be fully satisfied. Next sloka. Yes, Ishopnisad Mataji, please recite after me.
Okay.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.12 Sut
Sutta
Janasi
Janasi
Bhadram Te
Bhadram Te
Bhagavan Satvatam
Bhagavan Satvatam
Patihi
Patihi
Devakyam
Devatyam
Devakyam.
Devakyam
It's not Yam Mataji, Yam. Devakyam.
Devakyam Yam
Yes.
Chai Yam
Vasudevasya
Vasudevaya
Jato
Jato
Yasya
Yasya
Chikirshaya.
Stikirsaya
Hare Krishna. Yes,
Hare Krishna.
Dorothea Mataji, please recite after me.
Mhm.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.12 Sut Janasi
Sutta Janasi
Bhadram Te
Bhadram Te
Bhagavan Satvatam Patihi
Bhagavan Sattvatam Patihi
Devakyam Vas,
Devakyam
hmm, Vasudevasya
Vasudevasya
Jato
Jato
Yasya
Yasya
Chikirshaya.
Chikirshaya.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Mm, Bhagmalini Mataji, could you please recite by yourself?
प्रयत्नं करोमि
Yes.
सूतं जनसे भद्रते भगवान् सत्वतां पतिः देवक्यां वसुदेवस्य जातो यस्य चिकीर्षया
Yes, Mataji. Sut, O Sut Goswami, Janasi, you know, Bhadram Te, all blessing upon you, Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead, Satvatam Patihi, of the pure devotees, the protector, Devakyam, in the womb of Devaki, Vasudevasya, by Vasudev, Jato, born of, Yasya, for the purpose of, Chikirshaya, executing. Translation: all blessings upon you, O Suta Goswami. You know for what purpose the personality of Godhead appeared in the womb of Devaki as the son of Vasudeva. Executing. Yes. 1.1.13. Yes, Mataji. Sri Ishopnishad Mataji, please recite after me.
Yes.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.13. Tannaha
Tan naha
Shusrushmananam
shushu samananam
Arhasi
arhasi
Anganuvarnitum
anganuvarnitam
Yasyavataro
yasya vataro
Bhutanam
bhutanam
Nam.
nam nam.
Whenever the matra, this symbol is there, the letter and symbol, then a, this is a symbol. Bhutanam
Bhutanam
Shemaya cha Bhavaya cha
Shemaya cha Bhavaya cha
Bhavaya
Bhavaya
cha.
cha Bhavaya cha.
Hare Krishna.
Ciao.
Dorothea Mataji, could you please recite after me?
Mhm.
Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.13. Tannaha
Tannaha
Shushrushmananam Shusrushmananam
Shushushmananam
Arhasyanganuvarnitum
a aha aha
Ar- okay,
ahasyanga
Nuvarnitum
arhasya arhasya
Arhasyanga Arhasya
ar, ar, arhasya
Anganuvarnitum
anganutum
Varnitum.
varnitum.
This is little bit long, but okay. Sushrushmananam arhasyamganu varnitum.
Shusrusham manamam sorry shama nanam arhasyanga nu varnatum.
Good. Varnitum.
Haribol.
Varnitum.
Hare Krishna.
Varnitum.
Yasyavataro
Yasyavataro
Bhutanam
Bhutanam
Shemaya cha Bhavaya cha
Kshemaya Kshemaya cha
Hare,
bhavaya cha.
yes, Mataji, good try. Okay, Hare Krishna, Bhagmalini Mataji, could you please recite?
Tannah Shushrushamananam Arsyanganu Varnitum Yasyāvataro Bhutanam Kshemaya cha Bhavaya cha.
Hari Bol.
Jai
So,
Haribol. I have a question, Mataji.
yes,
You point to the word Tesamaya. Is that Samaya? Samaya? Could you point to that word?
which one? Shemaya?
Shemaya. Thank you.
Hmm.
Shemaya.
Ksha. It is K plus
It's
Ksha becoming Ksha. Like
Sha.
Kshemaya. Like,
Okay. So when we're saying
Hmm.
Kshatriya, we're not saying Kshatriya, we're saying Kshatriya. Am I correct?
Like that. Like we say Ksha. We don't say
Yeah.
Ksha. We don't
Uh-huh.
say Sha. Sha is not correct. Sha is not. It's Ksha. Ka is mixed with Sha. So Ksha.
Okay.
Like that.
Ksha.
So, right.
Jai.
Kshemaya.
Shemaya. Okay.
Correct.
Jai. Haribol.
Hare Krishna. Tat Naha means Tannaha. Those unto us. Sushrusamananam. Those who are endeavoring for. Arhasi. Ought to do. Anganuvarnitum. O Suta Goswami, to explain the following in the footstep of previous acharyas. Yasya, whose avatarah, incarnation, bhutanam, of living being, kshemaya, for good, cha, and bhavaya cha, upliftment, end. Translation: O Suta Goswami, we are eager to learn about the personality of Godhead and his incarnations. Please explain to us those teachings imparted by previous masters, acharyas, for one is uplifted both by speaking them and by hearing them. Speaker and hear both, listeners both. Shrusamanaya Varnitam Yasya Avatara Bhutanam Shushrushamana. Those who are endeavoring for listening and reciting both. Yes, Mataji. So we will conclude with this here. Here,
Thank you
those
so
who
much,
are
Mataji.
endeavoring.
Wonderful.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Just a little bit analysis like Shushrusumananam means those who are endeavoring. Endeavoring means Shushrusu means listening and hearing. Like earlier also this word comes. Sushrushu means listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. That parampara. So those who are endeavoring for giving the recitation and those who are listening. So endeavoring means the two people engaged. One is master who is speaking, and other are disciples who are listening. Those both. Sushrushumanana. So both for both of them, it's auspicious or a cause of upliftment for both of them.
Mhm.
So they are asking to Suta Goswami to narrate. They want
Mm.
to learn about the personality of Godhead in his incarnation and asking to explain to us those teachings imparted by previous acharyas. For one is uplifted both by speaking and hearing both. So those who are
Mm.
endeavoring for speaking and listening, those both will be uplifted. Shushrushumananam. Okay, so Hare Krishna, we will conclude here.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
थैंक यू माता जी। वांछा
Thank you so
कल्पतरुभ्यश्च
much, Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा माता। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्री प्रभुपाद जी की जय।
Jai.
हरे कृष्णा।